On. Very good morning children. Welcome to Phoenix International Group of Schools and welcome back to our class. So how are you all everyone? I hope you all are fine and doing well there. So students, take out your EVS textbook, Environmental Studies textbook of 5th class, and come up to the page number 28. I hope you all are watching the videos along with the textbooks, right? Make sure that you should have your textbook while you are watching the videos. So students, as you know that in our last class, in our last videos, we have already started our lesson, that is our food, right? Our food, okay. And in that we have seen why do we need food, what are the different kinds of food, and what are the three groups and categories in which the food has divided, right? And what is their importance, advantage and disadvantage. What will happen if you take intake of insufficient amount of nutrient and all, okay, that all the things we have seen. So let's recall once. All living things, why do we need a food, children? We need a food to live. We need a food to live, right student? We all know that we want food if we want to be alive, okay. So the food is divided into how many categories? Food has divided into three categories, okay, or three groups we can say. That groups are, first one bodybuilding food, next energy giving food, third one protective food, children, okay. What do you mean by the bodybuilding food? The food which repairs our body, okay, which builds our muscles and bones, that is called bodybuilding food, children. And that are nothing but the nutrient which is present in our food called protein. What is that? Protein, okay. Proteins we can get from plants also as well as from the animal also, okay. So the protein which we are getting from the plant is called plant protein. The protein which we are getting from the animal, that is called animal protein, okay. So which food items of the plant through which we can get the protein, food items from plant, can anybody tell me? Do you remember? Yes, pulses, cereals, and we have what here? Plant animal protein, okay. Animal protein in the sense eggs, fish, meat, etc., okay. These we have seen in the bodybuilding food. Now coming up to the energy giving food. What do you call the energy giving food? Energy giving food is nothing but here the food which gives us energy, that is called energy giving food. And in this we have two things. One is the carbohydrates, another one is fats, right? Do you remember, children? I said you already, we have learned this in our lesson. Carbohydrates and fats, okay. So carbohydrates we can get from potato, rice and all. And fats we can get from butter, cheese, some milk products, children, okay. Carbohydrates we want in a very less amount than compared to the fats, we want in a very less amount than compared to the carbohydrates, right? Because fats gives more energy than compared to the carbohydrates, okay. Now coming up to the next one, protective food. Do you remember what do you mean by the protective food? Yeah, the food which protect us from many diseases is called protective food, and that are nothing but here fruits and vegetables, okay. And we have in protective food all fruits like and vegetables. From the fruits and vegetables we can get some vitamins also, like vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K, okay. So I hope you have understood till here. Now today we have to start a topic of very important, that is water. What is the topic name here? Water. So everyone come up to the page number 31. Let's start our next topic called water, okay. Are you ready? Yes. Now usually we have heard this name, right? We heard this word water. What do you mean by these, children? Water. Where we use this water? Do we really use this water in our daily life activities? Yes, we use the water in our daily life activities. What do you mean by water? Pani, right? We are very familiar with this word, okay. And so where we use this water? While drinking. For drinking we want, while cooking, washing and cleaning, and why actually the water is very important for our body as well, okay. Now water is also a very necessary and valuable nutrient needed by our body. जिस तरह से हम अभी देखे हैं कि जैसे कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, न्यूट्रिएंट्स, फैट्स, मिनरल्स एंड प्रोटीन्स ये हमारे बॉडी को चाहिए होते हैं. सो सेम लाइक दैट वाटर इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चिल्ड्रन. ओके, वाटर भी हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. ओके, फॉर अवर बॉडी. इट इज़ हेल्पफुल इन द डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड एंड वर्क्स एज ए ट्रांसपोर्टिंग मीडियम फॉर द फूड. ये हमको डाइजेशन में हेल्पफुल करता है और ये ट्रांसपोर्टिंग मीडियम है. ओके, ये एक किसी चीज़ को ट्रांसपोर्ट करता है. सपोज इफ़ यू कीप योर फूड इन योर माउथ. ओके, इफ़ यू कीप वन मॉर्सल ऑफ द फूड इन अवर माउथ, अगर हम एक थोड़ा सा खाना हमारे माउथ में रखिए. ओके, आफ्टर चूइंग, after swallowing it again we feel difficulty, right children, we feel difficulty to swallow that food. हमको थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम होगी कि वो फूड को निगलने में. तो जब हम क्या करते हैं यहाँ पर, we drink water. What we do? We drink water. So what the water do here? Water takes that food to the stomach, right? Water क्या करता है, फूड को अपने स्टमक की तरफ पुश करता है. Is it okay? So that's why what we are saying here, water is also a transporting medium. इट हेल्प्स इन रेगुलेटिंग द बॉडी टेम्परेचर एंड जनरल एक्टिविटीज़ ऑफ द बॉडी. ये क्या करता है, हमारे बॉडी टेम्परेचर को भी मेंटेन करता है एंड एज वेल एज इट मीन्स इन सम एक्टिविटीज़ ऑफ आवर बॉडी ऑल्सो. We should drink about 3 to 4 liters of water daily for the proper functioning of the body. So what we have to do children, regularly, daily, every day we have to drink 3 to 4 liters of water. Okay, 3 to 4 liters of water we must drink children every day. Okay, so can I ask you how many glasses of water do you drink every day? Minimum 5, 6, 7, right? So increase the intake of water children. Okay, आज से अभी क्या करेंगे आप कि वाटर ड्रिंकिंग जो आप करते हो रेगुलरली, अगर आप 5 ग्लासेस कर रहे हैं तो फ्रॉम टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स यू हैव टू ड्रिंक 7 ग्लासेस. इज इट ओके? सो इट मीन्स यू हैव टू इंक्रीज द इंटेक ऑफ वाटर because it is very important for the proper functioning of our body. All plants and animals need water to stay alive. All plants, animals as well as I can say the human beings also. हम human beings और सारे plants जितने भी पेड़ पौधे हैं and animals जितने भी जानवर होते हैं सबको क्या है कि सबको water चाहिए to live alive, जिंदा रहने के लिए. In fact there would be no life on earth without water. So now here in fact कि बिना वाटर के हम जिंदा ही नहीं रह सकते हैं, कोई लाइफ ही एग्जिस्ट नहीं होगा on this earth without water children, right? Because most of the activities we do with the help of water only, even along with the digestion. About 80% of our body weight is water. जितना भी हमारा वेट होता है उसका 80% जो होता है हमारा वाटर का ही वेट होता है. इट मीन्स द वाटर प्रेजेंट इन आवर बॉडी. ओके, most of the functions which take place within our body are carried out in the presence of water. So it is necessary for us to drink sufficient amount of water daily. Okay, so what he is saying here, most of the functions which take place in our body, कई सारे ऐसे functions हैं जो हमारे बॉडी में होते हैं, वो किसको लेकर के होते हैं, that is which thing is helping children, the water is helping to perform all that functions. Okay, with the help of water की help से ही सारे वो functions perform होते हैं. Each and every liquid that we drink contains water. जो भी liquid हम drink करते हैं वो contain करता है water. जैसे juice. Okay, if we are drinking juice it means water. Okay, and if we are drinking like ORS if you take, that is also contains water. RC Cola take, that is also contains water children, right? So everything, all the juices whatever we are drinking that contains water, as well as here tea, milk, coffee, cold drinks and even the food that we eat contains water. किस में water present होता है? Tea में. Yes, we mixed some amount of water in the milk also to when preparing the tea. So in tea water will be there, milk में भी water रहेगा and coffee में भी water रहेगा and some cold drinks में भी रहेगा and as well as even the food that we eat contains water. जो food हम eating करते हैं वो भी water ही रहता है. Suppose example rice, in that also water is there. Any curry, in that also water is there. Okay, and some fruits जैसे watermelon is there, citrus is there, in that also water is there. Some vegetables like cucumber and all, in that also water is there children. Okay, so ये सारे food items जो होते हैं उसमें भी water present होता है. Along with water, roughage is also necessary for our बॉडी। सो अलॉन्ग विथ वाटर के साथ हमारे बॉडी के लिए रफेजेस भी बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं। Although it doesn't provide energy or repair tissue, yet it is helpful to our body to get rid of undigested food children. Okay, some kind of ravages like leafy vegetables, फाइबर्स एंड ऑल, ये हमारे बॉडी के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। उतना एनर्जी प्रोवाइड नहीं करते हैं, ना ही टिश्यू को रिपेयर करते हैं जो सेल्स डैमेज होते हैं, बट व्हाट दे डू, दे अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड जो रहता है वो हमको नहीं होगा। ओके, लाइक कॉन्स्टिपेशन एंड ऑल विल नॉट बी देयर। Thus we find that our body needs all the nutrients like fats, carbohydrates, protein, minerals, vitamins, water and roughage. So we all have concluded that, we came to the conclusion and decision that कि यहाँ पर हम mainly क्या बोल रहे हैं कि our body want all nutrient in a sufficient amount. हमारे body को सारे nutrients ज़रूरी है in very proper amount. All nutrients in the sense what? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, and we have what? Vitamins, water as well as roughages also. They are necessary to provide our body energy, to build our body, to protect our body from diseases and be healthy. So ये किस लिए हमारे हमको बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है यहाँ पर, बिकॉज ये हमको एनर्जी भी देते हैं, हमारे बॉडी को बिल्ड भी करते हैं, बॉडी को प्रोटेक्ट भी करते हैं कई सारे डिजीजेस से। ओके, and they keeps us healthy and strong children. So that's why we all need all the nutrient in a sufficient amount, nor less, neither less or nor more children. Okay, balanced diet. Now last one is a, what do you mean by balanced diet? The diet that contains all type of nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins and minerals in proper quantity is known as बैलेंस डाइट चिल्ड्रन। ओके, ऐसा डाइट रहना चाहिए जिसमें सारे हमको क्या मिले, ऑल हमको न्यूट्रिएंट मिले वो फूड में। ओके, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स भी, फैट्स भी, मिनरल्स, प्रोटीन्स, वाटर एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा। ओके, पूरे इक्वल प्रॉपर क्वांटिटी में प्रेजेंट रहना चाहिए। सो दैट इज़ नथिंग बट हियर द बैलेंस डाइट चिल्ड्रन। इज इट ओके? सो आई होप you have understood our lesson. Now come up to these bit children. This is the bit which you have to write one time in your notes. EVS notes में आपको ये bit one time लिखनी है. Okay. What we have to do in this bit? We have to match the following. We have to match. Okay. Some of the nutrient given over here, some minerals are there, and some nutrient are there, and what is there? Proteins are there, iodine, iron. Okay. Some minerals. Okay. So what we have to do here? We have to match this nutrient with their functions, we can say, or the related word which is to them. Now first one is phosphorus. What do you mean by what is this phosphorus, children? It is also a kind of न्यूट्रिएंट, राइट? इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ ए मिनरल. ये एक मिनरल है जो क्या करता है? प्रॉपर ग्रोथ एंड फंक्शनिंग करता है. ओके, प्रॉपर ग्रोथ करता है एंड हमारे बॉडी में सही से फंक्शन करता है. सो वी आर मैचिंग फॉस्फोरस विद दी प्रॉपर ग्रोथ एंड फंक्शनिंग. Now second one is iron. Okay, iron is useful for our blood because I said you during the time lesson explanation what I said you, iron makes our blood very thick and red, right children? कि आयरन क्या करता है? हमारे ब्लड को थिक बनाता है, थोड़ा गाढ़ा करता है, एंड एज वेल एज इट मेक्स रेड. ओके, रेड भी करता है ब्लड को. सो आयरन वी आर मैचिंग विद द ब्लड. आयोडीन, व्हाट दिस आयोडीन डू चिल्ड्रन? इट मेक्स, और वी कैन से हियर बोन्स एंड मसल्स कैन बी प्रोटेक्टेड बाय आयोडीन. ओके, आयोडीन से क्या होगा? हमारे बोन्स एंड मसल्स स्ट्रॉन्ग रहेंगे एंड उसको बिल्डअप करता है वो. Vitamin E is, as I said you, vigor and vitality it is useful for. And coming for the proteins, proteins are helpful for the, it is a body building nutrient, right? Proteins are helpful for body building. It makes our body, okay, muscles and bones same they makes. So these bit you have to write one time in your EVS notes children. Okay, notes में आपको ये bit one time लिखना है. After hard words, then we have written answers, then after that 1 mark question, then later on this bit you have to write it. Is it okay? So I hope you have understood this lesson. I will meet you in our next session with another lesson. So till then, take care and have a nice day everyone, and make sure that you complete the class. All work of whatever I have given you, classwork as well as the work of reader. Okay, take care everyone.